how to renew your business every year through the state of Minnesota. It's free. There's some scammers out there that will try to take advantage of you and send you a bill for them to do it for you. I guess maybe it's not a scam, but it's free and it's just a couple of clicks. So all you gotta do is set up an account with the state of Minnesota here, the government site, and you'll get email notifications to remember to do this every year. But all you do is you come in, you hit File Amendment or Annual Renewal. You will search for your business name. You will find the business name here, click Details. Then you will go into File a Renewal. Click on Annual Renewal, assume name, online filing, $0. Go through and pick all the items here, fill it out for what pertains to your business. Come in here, let's see. And then you just put in the amount here, doesn't really matter. Click Next. And it checks to make sure information you submitted is correct. You click Submit, and that's it. And you've filed your renewal every year for your business, and then you can return back to your homepage, and you can do another one if you have multiple businesses. Hopefully that was helpful. If you like this type of stuff to help your business grow and save money, like the video below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.